Yes, I'm cleaning again. And we all know how much I love cleaning things. Anyway, thank goodness it's just a small car. So yeah, it actually got quite grubby when we went to the rally. And we're going to do a bit more filming, and we're going to the Sedona car show apparently. So be rude not to clean it, really. So yeah, stay tuned for all that lot. We're going to be droning, not me droning on as per normal, but yeah, we hopefully get the drone up in the air, do a little bit more of that filming. Right, we're droning. Well, that's about it for the drone video. We were just really messing around, testing stuff, honestly. It's quite tricky because the drone itself can't do much more than about 30 miles an hour, and it really does kind of struggle to keep up. driving, I don't know, but it gets confused when there's other vehicles around. It's like, oh, which one am I supposed to be following? Is it the parked truck or the one I was latched onto in the first place? Technology, eh? Anyway, my thanks to my dear friend Matt for piloting it as best as humanly possible. So let's get to this car show and see what other spectacular vehicles are on display. But wait, no, cancelled due to rain. Yes, flood warnings, thanks to this chap here, coming in from the north, some kind of hurricane or something. Yes, I don't know if we cancelled stuff due to rain in the UK, nothing had ever happened. So yeah, sadly, no car show, no fantastic cars to show you. It's a double shame actually, because David was going to bring the Integrale and we were going to do some stuff on that actually, some driving and video and chit chat and whatever. Anyway, we'll do that another time. So if you thought this video was any good, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, subscribe already down here, because that Integrale video is coming along and there'll be more Stratos stuff, obviously. What else? Well, of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.